But I'm curious about something.
What's that?
I heard you can leverage Google My Business to get leads even before you have a website.
That's true.
Really?
Google My Business has this feature
Okay.
called Google Posts. You can share updates, offers, events
Right on your listing.
right on your listing.
Okay.
And here's the kicker. You can include a call to action with a link.
So you could drive traffic, get leads
You got
without even having a website.
exactly.
Wow, that's amazing. How does that work?
So let's say you're targeting emergency plumbing services.
Okay.
You create a Google post that says, "Need a plumber fast, call us now."
Oh, smart!
And you include your phone number as the call to action.
Okay, so you're capitalizing on that immediacy, showcasing your availability.
Right there in the search results.
What about businesses that aren't as time sensitive?
Well, you can use Google Posts to promote special offers,
Okay.
showcase new products or services,
Yeah.
share customer testimonials,
Oh, that's a good one.
or even just helpful tips
Okay.
related to your niche.
Make it relevant,
Relevant, engaging,
clear call to action.
always.
This opens up a whole new world of possibilities.